Killer deal, guys. Big shout out to Irwin or Arvin at the Deal Team 6 Facebook group. He posted this. Go get them before they sell out. I'll leave you guys the link up below in the description section. They are gonna sell out. They're gonna fix this. It's the impact driver, drill driver, the reciprocating saw. I believe they're not the top of the line tools, but they are really. This is a smoking deal. The reciprocating saw by itself is worth this much. The light, the 2 batteries charger in the bag, and you get some reciprocating saws. You get some bits, some drill bits, guys. $89. Killer deal. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. It tells you power tool combo kit. See, it says tell you 24 volt 4 tool combo kit starter kit. So it's gonna give you that. I just purchased mine. Hopefully it'll go through. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.